Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Elon Musk's price prediction and Elon Musk news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Elon Musk in 2022. Elon Musk is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Elon Musk plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Elon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Elon Musk has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Its richest man revealed what assets he thinks it's good to hold when inflation is high while saying he won't sell his BTC, ETH, and Doge. The world's richest man Elon Musk took it to Twitter to reveal that the company he spearheads, Tesla, is coming under pressure from the increasing inflation. He also shared his opinion on what assets it's better to own when inflation goes up. In a recent tweet, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX shared that both companies are coming under pressure from the increasing inflation, resulting in high commodity prices. Musk posted an article from the Financial Times discussing the fact that global commodity prices are on track to see the biggest weekly rally in over 50 years as a result of the war between Russia and Ukraine. High inflation numbers are also reflected in the U.S. Consumer Price Index. The country's Bureau of Labor Statistics released the numbers on March 10, and the index that's largely used to gauge inflation came in at 7.9%, the highest in decades. Commenting under Musk's post was the CEO of MicroStrategy Michael Saylor, who said, United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify. Musk responded that it's not surprising that Saylor would reach that conclusion. To his point, Saylor's company does hold over 125,000 BTC, and he is one of the cryptocurrency's most vocal supporters. Nevertheless, Musk also shared his thoughts on what assets he thinks is good to hold under the current predicament, as real estate, or the stocks of stable companies, instead of keeping the US dollar, adding that he himself is still holding on to his Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin and doesn't plan to liquidate his portfolio anytime soon. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge, declared Musk. As expected, Musk's tweet triggered a sudden pump in the price of Dogecoin, Doge, pushing the meme coin from around $0.111 at 410 UTC to as high as $0.122 by 417 UTC. However, the digital asset has since lost steam, trading around $0.1156 at the time of writing this report, with Bitcoin and Ether hovering around the $39,234 and $2,604 price regions respectively. It's worth noting that Musk has a strong affinity for Dogecoin, and the 50-year-old multi-billionaire never misses a chance to hype his favorite altcoin. Last May, crypto news reported that SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket manufacturing firm, had accepted Dogecoin, Doge, as payment from Canada's Geometric Energy Corporation, GEC, to launch the Doge 1 satellite to the moon before the end of Q1 2022. SpaceX launching satellite Doge 1 to the moon next year. Mission paid for in Doge. First crypto in space. First meme in space. To the moon, tweeted Musk at the time. And second news, Elon Musk says he's not selling Bitcoin amid high inflation. Elon Musk tweeted, I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, in response to CEO Michael Saylor, discussing the collapse of weaker currency. Elon Musk, technicking of Tesla, says I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin as a signal for the holding of assets in times of high inflation. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, states that weaker currencies will collapse, in reference to high levels of inflation. Musk also said it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. In a recent tweet, Elon Musk, technicking of Tesla, attempted to both question the likelihood of continued inflation over the next couple of years, and soothe concerns of his followers looking for advice as it relates to dealing with inflation, by stating I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin. What are your thoughts about probable inflation rate over next few years? Musk asked his followers. With an inflation rate of 7. 9% reported for the month of February 2022. This represents the highest levels of inflation since January 1982. Energy remained the biggest contributor, 25.6% versus 27% in January, with gasoline prices surging 38%, 40% in January, reported to Trading Economics. As a sentiment most would echo, the founder of Tesla encouraged his followers to pursue assets outside of cash when inflation becomes rampant. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. Elon Mars is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Elon Mars, a good investment? How much will Elon Mars cost in 2025, or how much will Elon Mars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Elon Mars, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Elon Mars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Elon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy, if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Elon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025. Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Elon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Elon Mars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Elon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Elon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers